Welcome to Dash Toys, how to assemble and use your brand new MT15 Plus ride-on bike. Main body, handle, front wheel, will supporter stand, front mudguard, handle pin, front axle, nut cap hardware, charger. Take the main body out of the package, connect the handle connectors to the main body. Align the holes of the handle and body. Insert the handle pin. Secure it with a washer and nut. Insert the front mudguard into the handle as shown. And front wheel. Insert the front axle after proper alignment. Secure the axle with washer and nut. Cover the wheel with the nut cap. Attach the wheel supporter stand on both sides of the rear. Fix it with the screws provided. Open the seat by unscrewing it. Connect the battery wires according to instructions printed near the battery. Secure the seat back using the screws. On, off button, music player, forward/backward button, accelerator pedal, connect the charging point. Enjoy your MT15 Plus, with Dash Toys, your child's joy comes.